Hello, my beautiful girls. So today we're going to see this app. It's the one with the yellow present that's next to the Starbucks app. Okay, this app is very easy to use, and depending on your device is whether you can find it either on App Store or Play Store. Okay, very good. So let's begin. So I'm going to show you how you can use this app. Okay, this app, what you're going to do is you're going to add each one of your receipts, and for each receipt, you're going to get either 25 points or 25 cents, meaning obviously in money. Okay, every time that I use this app, I try to add all of my receipts. So I'm going to show you how simple it is. These are some of the products that are going to give you more either points or money. Sometimes it could give you like 500 points, 200 points. So the points are like dollars. Okay, so for example, if you have 5,000 points, it's going to be $5. If you have 1,000 points, it's going to be $1. If you have 25 points, it's going to be 25 cents. So here we have different products. The products that are here are like the highlights of the app. So these vary according to points. So for example, this one that I have right here, that it's the bread, it's because I found it in Walmart. So what you do is you just click on the plus sign that you have on the right. And you can do this before you add your receipt. And it's going to help you a lot because it's going to make it easier for you to process the points. It's kind of like Saving Star, but it doesn't save any information or any links for your cards or anything, so don't worry about that. Okay, we keep seeing different products. As you can see right there in the bottom of each product are the points that they give you for each one of them. So you can see like which one is for your liking or not. Okay, so at the bottom of the screen, we have this icon that says save. This is the one that you use to mark the products that you want to look for specifically in the store. Then we have the plan icon. Then we have the scan that you use to scan the receipts. And then you have the rewards, the little star icon that we have right there. And then you have the smiley face that it's the icon for your information. Basically, the rewards that you have received, the points that you have received, your receipts that you have scanned, and all your information. Okay, we keep seeing different products. Okay, we've been seeing different products since the beginning. Okay, so remember that if you like a product that it's right there, just click on it and it's going to add directly to your receipt. So we already clicked on the camera icon, and right now I'm going to take a picture of a Walmart receipt. To be honest, I like to take a lot of pictures just to make sure that everything is scanned properly. Okay, so again, the point of this is for the app to really get each one of the products, okay? Because sometimes the app doesn't give you second chances. So it's good that you take pictures from the top of the receipt to the bottom of the receipt. Take all the information of the receipt, the date, the time, basically everything that comes in the receipt. Try to take good pictures of it for the app to process the information properly, okay? Because sometimes if you take the picture and you send it just like it is, and you didn't check that all the information was clear, or that the picture was clear, so it's not going to process it again. So for example, if the picture just I scanned like 3 products and it didn't scan the rest of it, it's only going to give you the points for those products and not the rest. Okay, so once we're done taking the pictures, we're going to click to the part where it says submit. Okay, and it's going to upload the photo, and it's going to give you this little message that says congratulations, you've added the receipt, it's been uploaded to the app. Okay, here it gives you an example of how many points it gave you. And for example, right here, they gave me the 1,000 points for the bread and the rest of the points for the rest of the products. Like I told you, it's very simple, okay? After that, you're going to go to your profile, to the me icon, okay? There is where you're going to make sure how many points it gave you. Okay, right here it tells you the information. It's from Walmart, the receipt, when was the purchase done. Okay, so as you can see, basically everything. So if you see products in the home page, I would recommend that before you process your receipt, just click on the plus icon that you have on the right for it to make it easier by the time that you scan or you take the picture of the receipt. Another thing that I'm showing you is this little message that appears on the screen. It's because I clicked on the item of the bread and it gives me like the information for the points that they gave me. Also, it's giving me a message for the sauces that I bought. Okay, sometimes you're going to find these type of offers, so it's good for you to check each one of the products before you scan your receipt. Basically, the point of this is that you can add any receipt. It's because I clicked on the item of the bread and it gives me like the information for the points that they gave me. Also, it's giving me a message for the sauces that I bought. Okay, sometimes you're going to find these type of offers, so it's good for you to check each one of the products before you scan your receipt. Basically, the point of this is that you can add any receipt. Okay, so for example, let's imagine that you add 10 or 20 receipts each month. So let's do the math. If we if we multiply 25 cents by 20 receipts that we add, they're going to give us $5 only for adding receipt. It doesn't matter which receipt. Just remember that it has to be for groceries. Okay, it doesn't matter from which store, but it has to be from groceries. One more time, don't forget, it has to be from groceries. Okay, so here I'm going to give you my reference code for this app. Any questions, I'm going to put them in the information for the video. I'm also going to add some links to the video that are going to link you directly on how to download this app, which makes everything much easier. Also, this app is totally free. You don't have to pay for it. Okay, it's not going to take much time for you to download it, and you're going to receive much more from it. So it's very simple. I'm also adding my reference code for the app Fresh Rewards. I have already told you about this app. This is a very good app. This app has given me, I don't know, like $400 from it. And I'm also going to add link for the IBOTTA app. I already told you also about this app. It's really good. In the information box of the video, I'm going to add all of these links and all of my reference codes so you can use them. So thank you very much for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That's something that really helps me a lot. Remember that when you subscribe to my channel, please don't forget to click on the little bell for the notifications, because sometimes YouTube goes crazy and those notifications don't get to you. So you can't know when I upload a new video or not. So by subscribing, please click on the little bell so that YouTube tells you when I upload a new video. Okay, so last but not least, thank you very much for listening to me. I really appreciate of you taking your time to watch my videos, okay? And just don't forget that positive minds achieve a lot. Thank you so much for watching me, and see you on the next video. Goodbye.